Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve some mathematical expression that looks simple, but many people fail to solve it because they make silly mistakes. So let's remove these silly mistakes if you are also making it, and let's learn the correct approach. So in this video, we will solve multiple questions, so don't skip the video. You will learn something new in every expression, so don't skip it. So let's start with today's video solution. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to it. So 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9, what people do, they do solve it from left to right. 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, and 0 multiplies 0 as 0, which is the incorrect answer. When you have given multiple operation, you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So here, this rule help you to choose the operation, which operation you should give priority. So first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. In case of multiplication and division, both have same priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. Similarly, in case of addition, subtraction, you can give priority. Both have same priority. Just you have to solve it from left to right. Now rewrite the expression 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9. So here first you have to give priority to multiplication over subtraction. So multiplication sign is between this. So 9 times 9 is 81. Now rewrite the left out terms. Now solve it from left to right because same operation is given. So 9 minus 81 is minus 72, minus 9 is minus 81. So what is the correct answer? Negative 81, not 0. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. Now let's move forward to the next expression. So in this expression, we have given 66 divided 6 bracket 10 plus 1. So let's solve this. So 66 divided 6, 10 plus 1 is 11, 6 times 11 is 66, and 66 divided by 66 is 1. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, you are right. It's incorrect. So we have to follow order of operation, that is PEMDAS rule. So rewrite the expression 66 divided by 6 bracket 10 plus 1. So first we have to solve the parenthesis, that is 10 plus 1 11. So here 66 divided 6 times 11. Now we know that division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So we can write 66 by 6 multiply 11. 66 divided by 6 is 11 and 11 times 11 is 121. So what is the correct answer? 121, not 1. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. Now let's move forward to the next expression. So our next expression is 9 minus 7 bracket 9 minus 7. Don't skip the video in middle. Many more different questions are coming next and you will learn definitely something new. 9 minus 7 bracket 9 minus 7. So it's 2 and it's 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. This is also incorrect approach to solve this. While following PEMDAS rule, you have to give priority to parenthesis first, that's the bracket. So when you solve the bracket first, 9 minus 7 is 2. Now always rewrite the left out terms and then solve it together. Now you have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication, and as per PEMDAS rule, we know we have to give priority to multiplication. So it's 9 minus 14. So our answer is minus 5, not 4. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. Now let's move forward to the next expression. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now your next expression is 27 divided 9 bracket 1 plus 2. So 27 divided by 9 bracket 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 9 times 3 is 27 and 27 divided by 27 is 1. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it is incorrect. So you have to follow PEMDAS rule to reach at right answer. It helps you to follow order of operation. So rewrite the expression 27 divided by 9 bracket 1 plus 2. Now first we have to solve the parenthesis, that is 1 plus 2 3. Now always write the left out term. So it's 27 divided by 9 times 3. Now we know that in case of division and multiplication, both have same priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. So it's 27 divided by 9 times 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So what is the correct answer? 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So now let's move forward to the next expression. So in this expression, we have given 7 times 7 divided 7 divided 7. So here 7 multiplies 7 is 49, divided 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 49 divided by 1 is 49. People solve it like this, which is the incorrect answer. So we have to follow PEMDAS rule. We know that multiplication and division both have same priority. So 7 times 7 is 49. So solve it from left to right. Now 49 divided by 7 divided by 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7 and 7 divided by 7 is 1. So what is the correct answer? 7. I hope all questions are clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Now your homework question is 2 times 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Comment down below the first right answer. I will pin the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.